What's up guys, Will Water Photography here, and today is going to be quite a different video. So I'm going to be cycling to my nearest village on my bike, and yeah, because often in villages there's quite a lot of bird life, and yeah, so we're just going to go down there today, sit down and take some photos and get some footage on the Canon. But alrighty guys, so I'm here and I can already see so much action. This is where all the action is. They like to go and sit on these brushes here, and yeah, they just enjoy feeding out of there. So I'll get some footage with the Canon so you guys can have a better look at the birds here. But often they're robins, greenfinches, house sparrows and blue tits. I've often seen long-tailed tits, but they're not here as much as this house sparrows. So we are just waiting for them to come back because at the moment it's getting a little bit blustery, but they'll be back once this all dies down. So yeah. Alright guys, so the winter's died down, all the birds are out, and I'm just finished getting some footage of this, and I'm gonna go get some still pictures now, which is gonna be cool. And yeah. Alright guys, so the weather's become a little bit more dismal. It's gone a bit grey, but this is basically the view that I've got. Yeah, I've got some awesome Okay guys, so the weather has took an unexpected turn for the worst. Unfortunately it started raining a little bit, and I just don't want my lens to get water stain marks on it. So I've packed up, but hopefully I gave you an insight to wildlife photography in a village. But yeah, so this is basically the place where I was photographing. It stretches out for quite a long while, but yeah, I got some awesome footage, I think, and yeah, hopefully it persuades you guys to not think that countryside is all to do with wildlife. Towns and villages do also have its own kind of wildlife, like foxes and birds like this. Yeah, so just don't have to go to the countryside to go and take photos of wild animals. You can just walk outside your front door and take photographs of birds. But yeah, so that is the video. I'm going to be heading back to my home now, so thank you for watching. Till next time. Typical, absolutely typical. My chain's come off. Right, that's better.